Hey, I'm Michael Bungay Stanier, author of the best-selling book, The Coaching Habit. Very excited to be joining so many of you at the AME Everywhere 2021 International Conference. Now, your commitment to lean is obvious. That's why you're coming to the conference. That's why you run your business the way you do. But the question in my mind is, well, what's the best approach for leadership with lean? And of course, I'm biased, but I'm really thinking coaching is an extraordinarily powerful way to lead. Staying curious a little bit longer. Here's the challenge. That's easy in theory, it's hard in practice because we're all busy, we're all overwhelmed, the pressure of time, the pressure of getting things done. So I want to show you in my practical, interactive and really engaging keynote just how to make coaching and being more coach-like an everyday leadership tool. I'm going to give you the 5 essential questions. I'm going to show you the best coaching question in the world, and it's one that you can add to your conversations today, tomorrow, any day you want. And I want to unweird coaching to make it feel like it's a practical, everyday way of leadership that you can implement in your organizations right away. I'm looking forward to seeing you in October.